Hi everyone, welcome to EcomBack.com. Today we are going to teach you that how you can update banners, text and different kind of features of your home page using the theme option. First of all, you click on online store and you will come to themes, and over here you will see the option. These are your backup themes and that is your live theme. So you can click on simply customize. It will open up the theme and it will open up the options where you can update the theme, basically banners and text. It also varies these features change according to theme. So if you are using any paid theme, or if your developer did a customized theme for you, there might be different options over here. But in our theme, we try to make the theme maximum customizable so customer can easily customize the theme. So you can see the options over here. First of all, image sliders. So these are the sliders for the gallery. You can add up to 5 slides there, but we already have like 2 banners there. So you can change the picture. Simply click on change image and you can change the picture. And if you want to link to any collection or a product, you can simply go over here and you can select the collection you want to link or a product you want to link. So it's very easy over here. As you can see, the next option is the image sliders, and that text, this is dynamic. Mostly the developers, what they do is they make that as an image, so you don't have access to change that. But in our theme, we try to maximize the options for the customer so they can easily edit that kind of stuff. Next thing is category boxes. It's the same thing. You simply click on category boxes. You can upload the picture, you can change the collection link, and you can add whatever you want. And if you can see in image slide, you have option to basically update the text, update the text to information over here. So next is bestsellers. So you can select the products you want to show under the category box as well. And if you look at that trending look, we have this option over here. You can see the images you want to update, because these are the just different pictures of models. You can have like any text, any category name over here. And same shop by look is another option, that you can have the shop by look or your collections images there, and then you can basically divert people to update that. And this is basically the SEO based content. We have that in every of our website, because if you have planned to do the SEO, you need to have this some space on the home page to add the SEO based content. And basically that's like pretty much it. This is the widget, the Instagram widget. This is dynamic. We use app for that. And if you look at my previous videos, you will able to see how you can basically update the navigation menu and how you can update the footer menu. So hopefully that video helps you to understand how you can basically use the your theme editor to update the files on your themes, the pictures on your theme, and the links on your theme. If you have any questions, you can call us or you can email us at sales@ecomback.com. Thank you for watching.